Inclusive events are the difficult one for today. This is when you have two events happening together at the same time. Two events happening together at the same time. The rule for this is you're going to take the probability of the first event, A. You're going to add to it the probability of the second event, B, and then you're going to subtract away the probability of them happening at the same time. So once, the first time is just how many times does it happen. The second time is how many times does it happen. The third one that you're subtracting away is if A and B overlap each other and they happen at the same time. So let's take a look at an example where this might occur. If you're rolling a 10-sided die, find the probability of rolling a 5 or an odd. Well, if I roll a 5, I have 1 chance out of 10. I'm going to add that to the fact that if I roll an odd, I have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, because my numbers only go up to 10. If I roll an odd, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances out of 10. So I'm going to add those together. And since I can have a 5 be rolled and an odd, because 5 is odd, I need to subtract away the probability of them both happening at the same time. So how many times does that happen? Well, you only roll a 5 that's odd 1 time. So I have 1 out of 10 plus 5 out of 10 minus 1 out of 10, giving me a total of 5 out of 10, which is 1/2 of the time, or 50%. So that's if I roll a die, I either roll a 5 or an odd. Another one you could use is a deck of cards example. I'm only going to pick one card from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability of picking a face card or a diamond? So I need to kind of figure out what the probability of the face cards are. I wrote a little note there. The Jack, the Queen, and the King are going to be the face cards for this example. I'm going to add that to the probability of a diamond. And then I'm going to subtract away the face cards that are diamonds. In a deck, there's 52 possibilities. If I take a look for all the face cards, that's a Jack, a Queen, or a King, and then I have hearts, clubs, spades, and diamonds. So I've got 3 cards and 4 different suits. That gives me 12 possibilities for the face cards. There's 4 suits in the deck, and there's 52 cards. So that means there are 13 of each suit, from 2 all the way to 10. The Jack, the Queen, the King, and the Ace. That's 13 cards, and there's only 1 suit that I'm choosing, and I'm choosing the diamond, so that's 13 out of 52. And then I'm going to subtract away when we have face cards that are diamonds. So in diamonds, I have the Jack of Diamonds, the Queen of Diamonds, and the King of Diamonds. So that's subtracting away 3. So I have 12 plus 13 is 25. 25 take away 3 is going to give me 22 out of the 52 cards. If I reduce that, I get 11 out of 26 is my final answer for inclusive events, events that happen at the same exact time.